Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul and unboxing which was sent to me free. I picked out the items and they sent it to me for free to do an unboxing and 2 more videos. So this is my first time getting some items from them, and this is Panda Hall Select. There's a regular Panda Hall and there's a Panda Hall Select, and this came from Panda Hall Select, which of course is in China. And they contacted me and asked me would I try out some of their products and do an unboxing and then 2 products afterwards. Projects, excuse me. So I'm going to show you what I ordered, but before I do that, I want to let you know that you can get a coupon code, DaretoBeCreative5 for $5 off of 40. And if you go to their website, you'll see they have a lot of different categories of different things. So they have jewelry finding, bead supplies, stringing materials, jewelry and watches, sewing and DIY crafts, and beauty and personal care. So they have a lot of different stuff. And so like under personal care, they have like hair accessories, temporary tattoos, massage tools, cosmetic containers. Under sewing, they have buttons and clothes, knitting, crochet, needlework, jewelry. Of course, they got bracelets, bangles, body jewelry, keychains, rings, wine accessories, earrings, handbags and wallets. Under stringing materials, have chains and jewelry making, ribbons and threads and cords and wires. Under beading supplies, again, jewelry boxes and displays and storage and packaging and tools. So you could even get some of that if I wanted to, which is pretty cool to get some of that, because sometimes some companies won't let you get that. You can only get products. They have under findings, you got your spacers, cabochons, settings, clasp pins, links, split rings, jump rings, finger ring sets, sizing, all kinds of findings, pendants. And then of course with your beads, you got acrylic, cinnabar, clay, European, gemstones, glass, lamp work, resin, rhinestones, seed and bugle, shell and pearl, Tibetan, wood and nut, silicone, fabric, cubic zirconia. So many different things. So you will take a minute to go up there and look at all the different things. But anyway, I'm going to show you what I ordered. And of course, in my description box below will be a link to their channel and website, excuse me, and will be a link to the items that I got and the discount code. Sorry about the noise, but I just got this and unpackaged this. I wanted to get some jewelry, earrings in specific, making items. And so these are some dies. Where's my scissors? I just moved them. Actually, I don't need my scissors for this because so this came with some dies and with the fabric to cut it. So I don't think I've ever made fabric earrings. I'm not quite sure if I have. I know I've made clay and different types. I don't think I made some necklaces before, but I never made earrings, I don't think. I know I've made necklaces in the past, years ago, when I used to make jewelry. But anyway, these are the different shapes that they have in this kit. So you can cut, obviously, 2 of each to make a pair of earrings. So you have your different sizes. You can layer pieces if you choose to do that as well. You know, make different shapes, all kinds of different stuff. So, however you want to do it. But anyway, I am excited to try this out. And so with these, so you have, let's see, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 pieces. And with these 15 pieces, of course, you can make a ton of different types of earrings. And then to go along with it, like I said, they give you the actual, and this is a lot of material. Sorry about any noise. If anybody has an aversion to noise, I apologize. But I feel like I need to open that stuff up, you know, as it was sent. So I believe it was 12 different patterns, and I'll show you those. So the weight and everything feels good. So you got your buffalo plaid. So you got your facing on the back. This is like a faux leather, or maybe it is leather, I don't know. Faux leather. You got some red. You know I'm gonna use that red. Got some black. So I love the little texture on it. Then you got your black and white check, buffalo, blue buffalo. Just play it, but you know. Then you got, this is like a black and a brown and a gray. Another buffalo, but the check size is different. You got your small and your large. And you got another one. This one is just very similar to this one, but it's a shade of brown. Then we got another black and white. Again, different sizes. Nice pinstripe, and the red and white. So the red has kind of like a fade. Some of it's not as it's got like a little white speckled in there. You can kind of see that. And then you got this navy and white. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, I was right. So that's 12 pieces of material. Now, let me get my ruler. I should have grabbed this earlier. I forgot the dimensions on this and tell you exactly the size. Okay, so this is just shy. Nope, it is. It's 12 inches. Let's see. It looks like it's about 11 and 3 quarters by 7 and 7/8. So almost an 8 by 12. A little shorter than 8 by 12. But you get a lot. That's a lot to use. You think about how many times you can cut this out to make a pair of earrings. So you can make quite a few different pair of earrings out of this. And of course, I have a die cutting machine, as most of you guys do as well. Well, because I'm a paper crafter. So just with this alone, and you know how you got to put your pieces all in the spaces to economize. So you know, you look at that, you can repeat all of this. So that was 15. So you can make double that amount. So you got 15 pairs basically per piece of material. 15 pair times 12. So, you know, you got over 100 pairs of earrings right there that you can make really quickly and fast. If somebody was looking to do that, to mail them, to sell them, whatever you want to do with that. I said mail them. I don't know why I said mail them. This is another kit that I got. This is another earring kit. And let me get into this one. And this comes in a case. Obviously, it doesn't come with material, but it's a different kit. Got a piece of tape on it. Alrighty, so in here you got your little French wire earring pieces. You got them in gold and silver, your standard pieces there. And then you've got all of these dies. I'm going to show you those in just a second. And then you have your coordinating jump rings. So you got your silver and your gold. So I don't remember how many pieces, but if I'm not mistaken, it was 50, I think, each. It looks like it's more than that when it comes to the jump rings. That looks like about 100 probably. It's got to be at least minimum 50 in here. Where's my piece of paper? I don't know if it says how many. It's in here, but you can see how many you get. Maybe it's 25. 1. Yeah, I think it's 50 because I still got half a bag and I only dumped out half and I was already over 25 when I counted. So should be 50. So this is enough to make 100 earrings, if I'm not mistaken. I think that's why I got it, because I was like, okay, that will give me enough to make some from over here and over here. And again, your choice of color. So over here, we look at what we have. We got, let me just count them real quick. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 die pieces. And again, these dies can be used for earrings, or you can make them for something else. Because again, you can use clay, you can use fabric. I wouldn't run it as a mold, but you could use it as a mold to put your clay on it and cut it out. So you have all of these different shapes, and this even has the textures on it. That was one of the reasons why I got these, just to try something different. And of course, because you're trying to take it out on camera. Come on now. Doesn't want to come out. But you see how that one has texture on it? So really nice kits, and I think this is it gives you a lot to think about, how you want to be creative. And of course, I can use this kit with this material, and I can mix and match these up. You can have long pieces, and they're already, if you notice, it already has a hole in it to put your jump ring in, and it also has little spaces here to help push it out. Although it's not on the back where you have the hole that way, but it helps push it out by having a hole down the bottom. Sorry about that crinkle. There's another little leaf kind of a shape, or diagonal swirl. Your typical round shape. And you can also use these earrings with different findings. It doesn't have to be the French wire shape. It could be a post shape with your jump ring. Of course, you can add your beads to these as well. So you can mix and match all the different things that you have. The items do have to ship from China, so you do have to allow a little bit of time for them to get here. Yes, I should have opened them all up ahead of time. I'm sure you're saying, come on, Dawn. But I like opening stuff up in real time so you can see my reaction and see how things came packaged. You know, whether or not a company cares. And of course, this was in a padded envelope that was taped up very nicely and padded up really nicely. Because if a company thinks their stuff is trash, then 9 times out of 10, you're going to think that stuff is trash. So they don't care about how it gets to you. Here's the star. You can make an ornament with that. And you can make ornaments with these as well. These items could go on a tag and a junk journal, because of the fabric would be nice to add to your junk journals. So you can think outside the box. It doesn't always have to be just what it's designed to be. Almost done. Last two. Alright, these are the last two. So, quite a variety of different things that's in this collection. Like I said, I don't think I've ever made earrings made out of materials, but I will play around with them and get my kits together and see how they come out. And of course I will be doing 2 subsequent videos to show you what they look like. So again, check out Panda Select. Their links will be below, and you will be able to see what they have. And I thank you for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.